And we see this even from companies that have turnkey TPX solutions otherwise, right? Still a lot of manual data stitching that is just eating everybody's time. And so there's this mix that is really imbalanced, right? We spend 90% or 95% doing manual data stitching and then 5% actually generating the insights and coming up with a strategy. Do you mind moving to the next one? And so it's a common sense statement, but it's not a data problem. Like all CPGs have plenty of data, right? It's an actual insights and a navigation problem. And I'll talk about what that means. But I think one of the fundamental things that is changing for CPGs, right? And honestly, this has been the case really for the last 10 years. This is really accelerated by AI, which is you don't actually need an expensive TPX solution, right? You don't need a $500,000 per annum license for a TPX solution that sort of promises AI and automated data ingestion from syndicated data and all these things. Because the reality is, most of the time, they're going to have to be customized, right? For most CPGs, it's going to have to be custom work. And in reality, it's going to turn into a kind of a 12-month to an 18-month engagement.